Welcome back to For the Mariners by the Mariners channel. Preventing a disaster at sea begins long before an alarm sounds, and the foundation of this safety is a rigorous system of fire patrols and vigilant watchkeeping. On a vessel, fire is a silent threat that can start in an empty cabin, a remote cargo hold, or a busy galley, making the role of the fire patrol one of the most important duties on board. Every seafarer assigned to a fire patrol must understand that their eyes and ears are the ship's first line of defense. The patrol begins with a systematic walk through all accommodation spaces, public rooms, and alleyways. The patrolman looks for obvious hazards like overloaded electrical sockets, unauthorized cooking appliances, or discarded smoking materials that could smolder and ignite. They must also check that all fire doors are kept closed and are not propped open, as these doors are vital for containing smoke and heat in an emergency. Moving into the galley and laundry areas, the patrol focuses on grease buildup in exhaust ducts and the temperature of drying machines, which are common sources of ignition. In the cargo decks and storage lockers, the watchkeeper checks for the smell of smoke or unusual heat emanating from bulkheads, which could indicate a hidden fire or spontaneous combustion. Proper watchkeeping also involves inspecting fire extinguishers and fire hose stations along the route to ensure they are unobstructed and ready for immediate use. The patrolman must carry a flashlight and a radio at all times, ensuring they can report any abnormality to the bridge instantly. Communication is the backbone of effective watchkeeping, and the bridge must be notified at the start and completion of every round. On many ships, this is tracked using a digital watchman system, where the patrol person must scan checkpoints at specific intervals to prove that every corner of the ship has been inspected. While the fire patrol monitors the interior, the bridge watchkeeping team maintains a constant vigil over the ship's technical systems. They monitor the fire detection panel for any localized alarms and track changes in atmospheric conditions or equipment temperatures through the automation system. Vigilance extends to the deck, where the watch keeps an eye on hot work activities, such as welding or grinding, which require a dedicated fire watch for several hours after the work is finished to catch any stray sparks. During the night, when most of the crew is asleep, the intensity of these patrols increases because the time between ignition and discovery is the most critical factor in survival. Watchkeepers also ensure that all emergency exit signs are illuminated and that escape routes remain completely clear of any deck gear or baggage. If a patrolman detects the slightest hint of smoke, they are trained not to investigate alone, but to raise the alarm immediately and follow the established fire safety protocol. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, comment, like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Thank you.